Right, chill rest day at Yosemite today. Hopefully we're going to do a hike and go up Yosemite Falls. The view up there should be amazing. We're going to have to set up camp again at a different campsite. Wink, wink. And one we've not stayed at before. And yeah, we'll do that in about a few hours. We're currently all the way down here and we're trying to get all the way up there. Let's see what the view looks like. I made a mistake. we went up the wrong trail, so just add on an extra, I don't know, 2 miles, something like that. Apparently we're only a mile in. Holy schmoly. I think we made it. Look at that. Made it to the most epic point so far. Woo. We're on our way down and look, just absolutely astonishing. We were just hanging off the top of that waterfall cliff right there. Crazy.